If you are looking for how to add arrow in PowerPoint, then keep watching the video. First, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and go to the shapes. And in the line section, you will see that there is an arrow. Hold the shift key and drag the arrow. And now right click and go to the format shape. And here you can choose the color of your choice and increase the width of arrow so you can visible easily. And you can also select the dash types if you want to. There are different types of compound styles, so it's up to you how you select it. So further you can also increase or decrease the transparency. You can also choose the gradient lines, select the colors first, select the second color, and now mix and match to make it more beautiful. So you can also move around on the slide like this one. And also you can pointing towards any side. So another way is that go to the insert, click on the shapes, and in the block arrows, you can see that there are multiple arrows options. There is an up and down, right and left arrow. For example, I'm selecting this one and drag it onto the slide. Now select the arrow and go to the shape format and select the different shape styles. It's up to you which one you like it. So I'm selecting this one, and from this orange dot you can drag it to make the arrow more pointer, and with this way you can decrease the arrow width as well, like this one. And from this point dot you can drag it to more bigger, and here you can increase the width of arrow, and here from you can rotate it and point to the any side of the PPT slide like this one. So that's all. You can easily add arrow in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.